English Idioms Explained. Stir the soup. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, stir the soup. This idiom can be quite intriguing for English learners, so let's explore its meaning and usage together. Stir the soup is an idiomatic expression in English. But what does it mean? Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of individual words. In this case, stir literally means to move a spoon or other implement around in a liquid or other substance to mix it thoroughly. Soup is a liquid dish, typically savory and made by boiling meat, fish, or vegetables, etc., in stock or water. However, when used idiomatically, stir the soup doesn't involve cooking. It's a metaphorical phrase used in various contexts. Let's explore these in the next sections. Literal use. In a literal sense, stir the soup is straightforward. It refers to the physical action of stirring a pot of soup. This is common in cooking contexts. Figurative use. Figuratively, stir the soup can mean to cause trouble or to stir up a situation. Imagine a calm pot of soup. When you stir it, things start to move and change. Similarly, in life or social situations, someone who stirs the soup is someone who creates a disturbance or brings issues to the surface. 1. Literal. Could you stir the soup for me while I chop the vegetables? 2. Figurative. He loves to stir the soup by bringing up controversial topics at dinner parties. Understanding the context is key to interpreting the meaning correctly. Pay attention to context. Is the conversation about cooking or a broader situation? Notice the tone. Is it playful, serious, or controversial? This can guide you to the intended meaning. Don't confuse it with similar phrases like, stir the pot, which can have a slightly different connotation. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, stir the soup. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds an interesting idiom to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms are a fun way to enrich your language skills and understand the culture behind the language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.